Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Venki. Today we'll see a lead code question, queries, quality and percentage. So here we have queries table which contains query name, result, position and rating. And there are some conditions. Here we can see we define query quality as the average of ratio between query rating and its position. So rating and position we can get from queries and we also define poor query percentage as percentage of all queries with rating less than 3. So we need to write a condition for queries percentage, like rating should be whatever the queries with the rating less than 3, then they will consider them as poor query percentage. So here we'll jump into the question. Write a solution to find query name. So query name quality. So quality here we can get and query percentage. Here it is defined. I mean how to get poor query percentage and all. And both quality and percentage should be rounded to two decimal places. You can return the resulted table in any order. Here is the example test case which contains quality table, and here is the output. So here you can observe calculated quality and query percentage. So we'll jump into solution. Before going to solution, please do pause the video and try for your solution. Hope you will get the solution. I will jump into the solution with select. Here we need query name, quality and percentage. From where? From queries we can take, right? From queries. So before completing the query, we need to get first quality. So as quality. So for this I will do sum, because we need to uh, get the average ratio between queries rating and its position, right? So that's why we cannot use direct function average here, because we need to take two different columns, right? So for that I'm using sum, and I will divide by number of, I mean count of the query names. So sum, and here I will use case when. For quality there is only ratios, right? So we can use this average function. Is this rating divided by ratio we need, right? So that's why I'm dividing ratio with position. Here you can see we need the average of the ratio between query rating and its position. Okay, and we should round it to two decimals. So that's why I'm using this. Okay, this is the quality, and now we are going to write for percentage, poor query percentage, where rating of the query which is less than 3. For that I'm using some function as poor. I'll use case when rating rating is less than 3, then 1 else 0. Okay, here we'll get the sum of mm, sum of queries whose rating is less than 3, and we need to divide with count of query names, right? Then we'll get average here. Okay, and but here we need to do convert it into percentage, so into 100, and we should round it off to 2. For this I'm using round function from, and we need to group by. Here in output you can see it is grouped by query name, right? We'll see whether it is working fine or not. Yeah, it is working for test cases. We'll run for hidden test cases whether it is working fine or not. We'll see over there. Here we 13th test cases failed. What it is saying, yeah, here we need to mention another condition, like if the query name is null then we should not touch that record. So for that I will use uh, where condition, where query name should not be equal to is not null. We'll take these test cases and we'll see whether it is whatever the changes we made, whether it is working fine for the this test case, whether which is not satisfied. Now we can see here it is, this is the output and this is the expected. Here we can see this is the output and this is the expected output, whether equal. We can resubmit and see whether it is working fine for hidden test cases or not. It is working fine. So this is the question and this is the solution. Hope you will understand my approach, and please do subscribe. If you have any queries, please do comment. I will reach out to you. Thank you guys. Bye bye. We'll meet again in next video.